Humans accumulate urea, uric acid, water, and ions like sodium, potassium, chloride, phosphate, etc., either by metabolic activities or by other means like excess ingestion. These substances have to be removed totally or partially. In humans, the excretory system consists of one pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and a urethra. Other than the kidneys, the lungs, liver, and skin also help in elimination of excretory waste. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs located in the back of the abdomen that play a vital role in maintaining overall health. The main purpose of the kidney is to separate urea, mineral salts, toxins, other waste products, and excess fluid from blood, thereby producing urine. They also regulate blood pressure, stimulate red blood cell production, and help to maintain the balance of essential minerals and chemicals in the body. At least one kidney must function properly for life to be maintained. Each person has two kidneys, which are bean shaped, reddish brown organs located in the upper rear region of the abdominal cavity, just above the waistline, and are protected by the rib cage. The size of the kidney is about that of your fist or the mouse of a computer. The kidney measures about 10 cm long, 5 cm wide, and 3 cm thick, and weighs about 125 to 170 grams in an adult. An interesting fact is that the alignment of the kidneys is not on the same level. Instead, the left kidney lies slightly above the right kidney due to the presence of liver. The liver, located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen, pushes the right kidney slightly downwards. Are you curious to know about the external structure of kidney? Kidney is covered by a tough capsule of fibrous connective tissue called renal capsule. Renal capsule encloses renal cortex and protects kidney from infections and traumas. Two layers of fat are attached to the surface of each kidney to cushion them. The outer surface of the kidney is convex and the inner surface is concave in shape. The concave side have a longitudinal opening or a depression in the middle where the nerves and renal artery enters and the renal vein and ureter exits the kidney. It is called hilum. Renal arteries transport oxygenated blood from the heart and aorta to kidneys for filtration. Renal vein transport filtrated deoxygenated blood from the kidneys to the posterior vena cava and finally to the heart. Ureter transports urine from renal pelvis to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a hollow, muscular, expandable, and temporary reservoir of urine. Kidney has three major regions. They are renal cortex, renal medulla, and renal pelvis. Renal cortex is the granulated, dark red outer zone of the kidney, which contains most of the nephrons. Renal medulla is the radially striated inner layer of the kidney, which is the site for salt, water, and urea absorption. Renal pelvis is the cavity which lies in the center of the kidney and which extends into the ureter. It collects the urine from all of the calyces in the kidney. Renal medulla is the inner layer of the kidney. It contains renal pyramids, renal papillae, renal columns, renal calyces, and other part of the total nephron not located in the cortex. Renal pyramid is the triangularly shaped unit in the medulla which contains the loop of Henle and the collecting duct of the nephrons. Renal column is the area between the pyramids. It is the space for the blood vessels located in the medulla, and they are also called columns of Bertini. Renal papillae are the tip of the renal pyramids. They release urine into the calyces, and the renal calyces are the collecting sacs that surrounds the renal papillae. They transport urine from renal papillae to the renal pelvis. Do you like to know more about kidneys? Visit our YouTube channel NEPHRONS and Beyond. ഈ വീഡിയോ മലയാളത്തിൽ കാണാനായി ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിലെ ലിങ്കിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യൂ.